My name's Alan Burgess. I'm based in Essex, and I've decided to come up to Leeds here for the PfCO CAA application. And we've had some excellent weather and nice hotels, nice locations, so everything's worked really well. Initially, my daughter's got some horses, and she said, "Oh, if you've got a drone, Dad, you can fly around, and then I can use that to put on my website to help her business." There's no commerciality out of it, but it falls foul of the law. So I am a hobbyist. I want to be a legal hobbyist. I want to do this in a professional manner. The entirety of the course was just about spot on. Each slide came through, it made sense. I mean, Dan's a great guy, very, very experienced, and he knows his stuff inside and out. And he takes you through at a pace where you go, yeah, okay, that's like, I can understand all the steps. And yeah, it's nice when you get the success at the end of it. And they said, yeah, you passed that. Got no hesitation in recommending people here at all.